We've been enjoying a mild and very nice Sunday across southern Colorado. Clear skies across the board, no matter where you look. We're right now in the low 60s in the Springs, 62 at the Colorado Springs Airport. Humidity, though, very low at 11%. And when we have low humidity and a bunch of dry days strung together, we typically see enhanced fire danger, and that is what we are tracking tomorrow. We're going to talk more about that in just a minute, but first, let's walk through this evening. Currently, we're still in the 60s for most of the area. 67 in Pueblo, mid-60s to lower 70s on the eastern plains, 58 in Woodland Park. This evening, very similar to yesterday. Clear skies, relatively light winds, a quick cool down after sunset in both the Springs and Pueblo. We'll drop quickly to the 40s and then down to the 30s, but our lows tonight will be slightly warmer than last night in the upper 20s to lower 30s on the corridor and upper 20s along the eastern plains. Now let's look at tomorrow. The thing that's different tomorrow compared to today is that we will have the jet stream over us. That's going to increase our wind speeds while we keep the dry air. So tomorrow morning, we'll start off with wind gusts in the mountains. If you're in Woodland Park or you're on the US 24 West corridor, you'll notice those on your way to work. For the rest of the area, the wind gusts increase during the afternoon, particularly between the Pikes Peak region and Pueblo areas and up into our foothills toward Canon City, and still throughout the day in Woodland Park with 20 to 35 mile-per-hour gusts through the afternoon. Then, overnight, we'll track a cold front that'll make its way through the area. Not a lot of moisture with it, but enough moisture that it will reduce our fire concerns a little bit on Tuesday, even though it will remain gusty. Now, as far as humidity goes, as we go into the afternoon hours tomorrow, humidity levels will drop into the single digits for a lot of the area. So we're mixing together very dry air and gusty wind, and when you put those two things together, you do get elevated fire concerns. So we have red flag warnings that will be in place tomorrow from noon to 6 p.m. Avoid outdoor burning tomorrow across the entire area. Even areas outside of the red flag warnings, we will still see elevated wind speeds and very dry air, but the areas in the red flag warnings have the highest potential for fires to spread quickly. Now, high pressure is in place today. As I just mentioned, the jet stream will be over us for most of the week, and as this high shifts to the south, that's what brings in the initial batch of energy for the fire concerns tomorrow. But that's not the only day this week I've got my eye on for high fire danger. As we head into Thursday, we'll be sitting between another high and low pressure system. That brings us another round of gusty wind and dry air. So throughout the week, we're looking at some strong winds, but fire danger will be highest on Monday and Thursday, elevated Tuesday and Wednesday. The other thing you'll notice this week are our temperatures. They're going to feel very spring-like, not like late winter, above average for most of the week. Our normal high in the Springs is 53 degrees. We won't be seeing below average temperatures until Friday when we track our next low pressure system making its way into the area. So on your Super 7-day forecast, you'll notice that it's breezy for the next 7 days straight. It's just a question of how breezy it is on any given day. Very warm tomorrow with the downslope breezes. That's partially also why we have the fire weather warnings in place tomorrow. And then as we head toward the end of the week, that's when we see our pattern change. A low pressure system moves through, strong northerly wind gusts during the afternoon, 30 to 45 miles per hour. We're going to keep an eye on that for you as we head through the week, and that will also lead to cooler temperatures for us next weekend. In Pueblo, 75 for your high tomorrow. Your normal high this time of the year is 59, so certainly feeling more like mid-May than this time of the year. 60s and 70s throughout the week, and rain chances returning for your area on Friday. Canon City, 60s and 70s for you as well. Windy on Friday, a chance of a bit of a wintry mix, but it's a warm system. I think the wind is going to be more of an impact to you than the rain or snow in this case. Woodland Park, 60s and 50s for you until we hit Friday, which will be windy. You do have a chance of snow, 30s and 40s for you this weekend.